In every workday, leaders are going to their work to make a difference. To present their ideas, to show courage, to coach, to make tough decisions, and lead the way. But does leadership stop by the end of the workday? Leadership happens in the thoughts crossing our minds while driving home. In the discussion we have over dinner. In the conversation we replay in our heads as we fall asleep. Understanding and applying the power of paradox will help you make an impact inside and outside of work in your personal life, as well as your business landscape. Every day we are facing lots of contradicting forces and tensions. Long-term objectives contradict with short-term objectives. When to control and when to empower our teams or our kids? Sometimes global standards contradict with our local practices. And the tensions between old and millennial generations. And the list can go on and on. That's why we need a certain readiness level and genuine strength. It is also obvious that we as human beings are paradoxical creatures. We like to live long, but we don't like to be old. We value progress, but progress requires change, and we don't like change, especially when it happens to us. We want to be liked, at the same time, we want to be right, and that might involve conflicts. And because most of the time we don't see things as they are, but we see things as we are. We need to adopt a paradoxical way of thinking as we go. The power of paradox will guide you from your first managerial role, throughout your journey to the C-suite. In between these milestones, you will build your genuine strengths and balanced versatility. You will also know how to handle your blind spot. You will find ways that your traits complement one another. And use them to drive your life and your business, especially in tough times. In Pentapyramid and HQ, our work is not just about providing development or assessments. It's about helping you as heart and mind to find more moments of truth. So, by the end of the day, you can make a real difference.